Hello students. So in the earlier video, the gift of the Magi that we have taken for the discussion. So related to that text, we discussed the story of the Magi, the Christian story of the Magi. And in the class, we also talked about the author O. Henry. So O. Henry, who belongs to a very middle class family, whose story mostly revolves around the lives of the middle class people. And O. Henry also, for some technical mismanagement, went to jail. Later he proved innocent and then came to his home and started writing story. He also wrote story in prison. So these things we discussed in our first class. So in this video I am going to directly deal with the chapter that is the gift of the Magi. So before going into the story, I would like to mention the two main characters of this story. So the protagonist of this story, protagonist means the main characters. So there are two main characters in this story, James Dillingham Young. You can write James Dillingham Young, which is also known as Jim. James Dillingham Young is a 22 years young boy, lives in New York, and Della. So there are two main characters, Jim and Della. Della is the wife of James Dillingham Young, who has beautiful long hair. Della is this couple is in love with each other. They immensely love with each other. So the story revolves around their lives, their love. The story happened. So the story happened in only one day. So that is the day before the Christmas. So the the plot of the story goes this way. $1.87, that was all, and 60 cents it was in pennies saved, and one or two at a time by bulldozing the grocer and the vegetable man and the butcher, until one's sick burned with silent imputation of Paris money that such close dealing implied. 3 times Della counted it, $1.87, and the next day would be Christmas. So the first paragraph of the story happens the day before Christmas. So Della, who was Della? Della was the wife of Jim. So what was Della doing now? Della was saving money for some reason. We will disclose the reason after that when we proceed to the story. So Della was saving some money. How is she saving money? By bulldozing the butcher, by bargaining with the vegetable man. So কি হৈছে Della কোন আছিল? Della আমাৰ জিমৰ wife আছিল. এটা ফাৰ্ষ্ট পেৰাগ্ৰাফটোত আমাৰ সিনটো কি আছিল? Della কি হৈছে যোনগিটা টাইম পইচা সেভ কৰিবলৈ এবল হৈছিল, সেই সেভ কৰা পইচাগিটা লিখি আছে. What was the money? $1.87. So Della counted it again and again. If she is missing the count, or if it becomes higher, so that's why she counted again and again. But it remains $1.87, and this was happened before the day of Christmas, and this make Della devastating. She became very sad because she has no money to buy gifts for Jim. So what is the reason she is saving money for? She is saving money for or giving a valuable gift to Jim. So Jimok tai ki hoise bahut bhal paisile, he karone ki hoise tai bahut dinor pora Jimor vegetable manor logot bargain kori, bachar logot bargain kori pelai tai পইচা সেভ কৰি আহিছিল, আৰু সেই সেভ কৰাৰ পইচা কিটা আজি গনি চালে খ্ৰীষ্টমাছৰ আগদিনাখন, কাৰণ জিমলে গিফট ল'ব লাগে, সেইকাৰণে গনি চালে আৰু গনি পেলাই কিমান ওলালে $1.87, আৰু বাৰে বাৰে গনিলেও কিন্তু মানে এমাউণ্টটো চেঞ্জ নহলে, মানে এমাউণ্টটো সেই একেটাই থাকিলে, সেইকাৰণে Della become sad. You have to read the passages of the chapter very carefully because there are very difficult words in this paragraph, and you should search the meaning of the word in the dictionary by yourself. So proceed. So after counting the money, which is $1.87, Della became sad. She became devastating because before a long time she was dreaming that she will give something special, something valuable to express her love for Jim this time in the Christmas. But the money is very meager. That is why that made him sad. So in this paragraph, there was clearly nothing to do but flop down on the shabby little couch and howl. So in that time, Della realized that she belongs to the class which can do nothing about this money, because a 1.87 cent to bahut tai struggle kori pelai save korise, aru jodi ki hoise etia etu time ta he পইচা তুলে একো কৰিব নাই না, তাৰ পইচা গুটাব পাৰিব নাই না তাই জিমৰ কাৰণে কিবা কিনিব পাৰিব. Therefore there is nothing remain but to howl and cry. হেৰি কৰা কন্দা আৰু মানে মুডটো বেয়া কৰি ৰখাৰ বাহিৰে তাৰ ওচৰত একো অপশ্যন নাছিলে. So Della did it. So Della হেতুকে কৰিলে, which instigates the moral reflection that life is made up of sobs, sniffles and smile, with sniffles predominating. So in that time, Della realized that life is not about happiness and color. Life is made up of sobs, sniffles and smiles. Life is made up of happiness and sadness, sniffles predominating. In Della's case, sniffles means মানে আমি স্যাড হৈ থাকো যে আমাৰ হুমুনিয়া কাহি থাকো হয় না হয় মানে উসুপি থাকো, হেতুক স্নিফলস বুলি কৈছে. সো ইন দা কেস অফ Della ইট ইজ স্যাডনেস এন্ড সৰো ইজ প্ৰিডমিনেটিং. আৰু Dellaৰ লাইফত কি হৈছিলে, স্যাডনেস তো প্ৰিডমিনেট আছিল. কিছুমান হৈছে লাইফত আমাৰ আমি কওঁ নে নকওঁ, লাইফটো কি হৈছে হ্যাপিনেস, মিক্সচাৰ অফ হ্যাপিনেস এণ্ড স্যাডনেস. আমাৰ সবৰে লাইফটো হ্যাপিনেস আৰু স্যাডনেসৰ মিক্সচাৰ হৈ থাকে. তাৰে কিছুমান মানুহৰ লাইফটো বেছি হ্যাপি হয়, যাক দেখি আমি ভাবো ন তাৰ নিচিনা লাইফটো হোৱাহেঁতেন. কিছুমানৰ লাইফটো বেছি স্যাড হয়. ইয়াৰ মিনছ এইটো নহয় যে তাহাঁতৰ মাজত হ্যাপিনেসটো নাথাকে, কিন্তু তাহাঁতৰ মাজত হ্যাপিনেসটো টেম্পৰাৰী থাকে, কম ডিউৰেশ্যনৰ থাকে. আৰু Dellaৰো সেইটোৱে হৈছে. For Della, life, the predominating aspect of life is sniffles, that is sadness. For others, that may be the happiness. So that is the paragraph. Now moving into the third paragraph, while the mistress of the home is gradually subsiding from the first stage to the second to take a look at the home, a furnished flat of $8 per week. It not exactly the beggar's description, but it certainly had that word in the lookout of the Medicency squad. So now Della just raised her head and looked at the furniture of the home. The home is very not a beggar's description. মানে ঘৰটো Dellaৰ হাতত যিমান পইচা তেহেতৰ যেনেকুৱা কণ্ডিশ্যন, সেইটো কণ্ডিশ্যনকে হোমটো কি আছিল অলপ আপলিফটেড আছিলে, ভালে আছিলে. কাৰণ হোমটোৰ ঘৰটোৰ ৰেণ্ট কিমান আছিলে, $8 per week $8 হোমটোৰ মানে ঘৰটোৰ ৰেণ্ট আছিলে. It did not exactly beggar's description, but it certainly had that word on the lookout for the Medicency squad. But the home is not very poor, but the furniture it has describes their condition. কিন্তু ঘৰটোত যোনবোৰ ফাৰ্নিচাৰ আছিলে সেই ফাৰ্নিচাৰবিলাক কি হৈছে সিহঁতৰ কণ্ডিশ্যনটো ডেছক্ৰাইব কৰিছিলে. এতিয়া হেনৰী কি হৈছে, হেনৰী এনেকুৱা সৰু সৰু ইমেজবোৰৰ হেল্পত কি হৈছে, তেওঁ ৰিডাৰক এটা আমি যেতিয়া এটা ষ্টৰি পঢ়ো, এটা পোয়েম পঢ়ো, তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হৈছে, উই হেভ টু ক্ৰিয়েট দ্য ইমেজ অফ দেট প্লট ইন আৱাৰ মাইণ্ড. চ' হেনৰী with these images, the images of the furniture, the images of the outside world, try to create an image in the reader, in the mind of the reader, so that we can attach with the Jim and Della's condition, so that we can view in our mind the world of Jim and Della. In the vestibule below was a letter box into which no letter would go, and an electric button from which no mortal finger could coax a ring. Also appertaining thereunto was a card bearing the name Mr. James Dillingham Young. So that is the outer side of the home, where there is a letter box, there is a electric box. तो কি হৈছে আমাৰ ঘৰৰ বাহিৰত কিছুমান লেটাৰ বক্স থাকে আৰু এটা নেম প্লেট থাকে নাই, সেই নেম প্লেটটোত কাৰ নাম লিখা আছে টিল দেন এতিয়ালৈকে যোনডোখৰ ৰিডাৰে পঢ়াই আছে তালৈকে আমাৰ কিন্তু জেমছ ডিলিংহাম ইয়ং নামৰ কেৰেক্টাৰটো আমাৰ মুখৰ আগলৈ অহা নাই, হয় নাই? মই কৈছোহে জাষ্ট কেৰেক্টাৰটোৰ নাম। এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ ফ্ৰণ্টত কোন কেৰেক্টাৰ আছে? দ্য ৰাইটাৰ ইন্ট্ৰডিউচেছ দ্য কেৰেক্টাৰ অফ ডেলা, হুইচ ইজ দ্য মিষ্ট্ৰেছ অফ দ্য হাউচ। মানে সেই ঘৰটোত দুটা মানুহ থাকে, জিম এণ্ড ডেলা, আৰু ডেলাৰ কেৰেক্টাৰটো কি হৈছে আমাৰ এতিয়া ফ্ৰণ্টলৈ আহিছে। আৰু দ্য নেম অন দ্য কাৰ্ড in front of the home was written as James Dillingham Young. The Dillingham had been flung to bridge during a former period of prosperity when its possessor was being paid $30 per week. Now, when the income was shrunk means to decrease, to $20, the letters Dillingham looked blurred, and though they were thinking seriously of contracting to a modest and unassuming deed. So now the story is described that Jim got a job as a typer in a company. At first, his income was $30 per week. So they were in a well-to-do condition. So when Jim and Della were first married, they took this home as a in rent of $8 per week. Home ঘৰটোৰ rent কিমান আছিলে? $8 per week, because at that time James' income was $30 per week. But now, for some reason, Jim's salary shrunk means to decrease into $20 per week. Therefore, it is getting difficult to maintain their rented house. বুজিছা ষ্টৰিটো? মানে আগতে কি হৈছিলে, জিমৰ চেলাৰীটো বেছি আছিলে, $30 per week আছিলে, কিন্তু সেইকাৰণে তেওঁলোকে সেইটো ফ্লেট লৈছিলে ভাড়াত। কিন্তু এতিয়া জিমৰ চেলাৰীটো কমি আহিলে কিবা কাৰণত, আৰু এতিয়া $20 per week। সেইকাৰণে কি হৈছে, মানে সিহঁতৰ সেই ঘৰটো মেইনটেইন কৰা প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে। মানে এইটো ইমেজ ইউজ কৰিছে, therefore the Dillingham look ব্লাৰ্ড, মানে আমি সেইটো কাৰণে কি হৈছে, নামটো শ্বাইন কৰি থকা নাই, মানে এইটোৱে বুজাইছে মানে চিম্বলিকেলি। এতিয়া জেমছ ডিলিংহামৰ নামটো শ্বাইন কৰি থকা নাই, ইট লুকছ ব্লাৰ্ড বিকজ নাও দে আৰ ইন এ নট ভেৰি ৱেল টু ডু কণ্ডিশ্যন। But whenever Mr. James Dillingham Young came home and reached his flat, above he was called Jim and greatly hugged by Mrs. James Dillingham Young, already introduced to you as Della, which is all very good. But one good thing there is in their house, that is the love of the two. So when Mr. James Dillingham come to his home after his hard work in the office, he was greatly hugged, or he was greatly showed affection by his mistress Della, Mrs. James Dillingham Young, already introduced to us as Della. Mrs. James Dillingham Young কোন আছিলে? Della. So যদিও সিহঁতৰ ঘৰত মানে এতিয়া কণ্ডিশ্যনটো বেয়া আছিলে, কিন্তু আগতেও তাক এজনী ভাল পোৱা ৱাইফ আছিলে, সেইজনী হ'ল ডেলা। এতিয়াও তাৰ এজনী ভাল পোৱা ৱাইফ আছে, সেইজনী হ'ল ডেলা। সেইটোৱে সিহঁতৰ কি হৈছে, ঘৰখনত একে আছে। কাৰণ whenever he come home greatly overboard with his works, Della affectionately waits for him and shows her love for him. So that is the good thing about their relationships, that they two are immensely love with each other. So গোটে আমাৰ ষ্টৰিটোত কোন পালো? দুটা ক্যাৰেক্টাৰ পালো, James Dillingham Young, Jim, and Della. These two are couple. They lived in a home. The rent of the home is $8 per week. Remember that, not per month. So that is it. And Jim was assigned to a job which gave him at first $30 per week. Now his salary decreased into $20 per week. Therefore, it is very getting difficult to maintain their house. But one thing that this couple is immensely love with each other. So that is it. Now in the story, at first what happened, Della is counting the money which she saved for Jim to give him a valuable, a precious, special gift to show her love in the day of Christmas. Now she is in the story when we started explaining, she is counting her money, which is $1.87, and that made Della sad because that is not enough for her to get a gift for Jim. So that is it. আমি ক্লাছত আকৌ এই ধৰলৈকে আকৌ আমি মানে এক্সপ্লেইন আকৌ আমি চাম বস্তুটো কি কি বুজি পোৱা নাই তোমালোকে এই ধৰলে ওয়ার্ড টু ওয়ার্ড পঢ়িবা কাৰণ মই বেছি ধৰ নাযাওঁ তোমালোকক অনলাইন ক্লাছ যিহেতু মই 3টা বা 4টা প্যাৰাগ্ৰাফ কৰো তাকে তোমালোকে ভালকে বুজি পোৱাটো বিচাৰো সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে এই ধৰলৈকে দুবাৰ তিনিবাৰ কি হৈছে ৰিডিং কৰিবা। থ্যাংক ইউ।